Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, let's explore a new and interesting way to create a MetaBox field group. No code, no clicking through any settings. Just type, copy, and go. It's using AI. We have two conventional approaches for creating a field group, using code or using UI provided by MB Builder. But if you are not familiar with code and don't want to click through dozens of settings, can you create a field group? The answer is yes, thanks to the compatibility of MetaBox and AI. This is the exclusive experience of MetaBox users, and it could be a whole new approach that revolutionizes the way you build websites. Let me show you how AI works and why I said that using AI to create a field group is the exclusive experience for our users. You may know that AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is becoming an essential part of various industries, including web creation. AI can analyze, process data, then suggest suitable content for each one. Nowadays, many plugins integrate AI to improve user workflow and increase conversion rate. However, automatically creating custom fields just by writing a prompt for AI is a feature only MetaBox offers. This is made possible thanks to the schema system and local JSON provided by MetaBox. The schema system defines all the properties and attributes of each field. This is what AI needs to understand and execute in creating custom field commands. Then you'll have a JSON file. Only MetaBox provides this kind of schema, and local JSON is to synchronize the JSON file to the database. Those are also two steps to create a MetaBox field group using AI. Here is the MetaBox schema I mentioned. You don't need to know code or even touch the MB Builder interface. Your work is simply typing the prompt, then AI will do the rest. You can use any AI tool. In this practice, I will use two of the most popular ones, ChatGPT and Cursor. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It can answer questions, write content, and even help you generate code. So instead of manually configuring each setting, you simply describe your field group and let ChatGPT supply code following the prompt. Go to ChatGPT, enter a prompt to describe the field group you need. For example, I'll create a field group for the event post type. It includes some fields, so my prompt is like this. You need to describe your field group by answering these questions. Which fields does the field group include? What are their names and field types? Do they have any special settings? What are they? Which post type is that field group applied to? The more specific your description, the better the code you get, with less tweaking needed later. Don't forget the schema to ChatGPT following. Here it is. Then, a MetaBox field group configuration will be generated following the MetaBox format. It's the same as registering a field group using code. Copy it. Now, go to a code editor, create a MB.json folder in your theme, and paste that code into a new file. That's a JSON file. To have the UI of this field group, just use the local JSON feature to sync the data. Go to MetaBox, Custom Fields, and move to the Sync Available tab. Your field group is here. You can review it one more time before syncing. Now you can see the fields along with their settings are exact. And the location of the field group too. They also work well in the post editor. Cursor is an AI code editor to help developers write and edit code faster. With Cursor, you can write natural language prompts, and the AI will generate the corresponding code for you. Cursor Free is fully capable of handling the task of creating a MetaBox field group. The Cursor interface consists of two main sections. The first section is similar to a code editor like VS Code with a full folder structure. The second section is where you type your commands and the cursor responds with the generated results. So, with Cursor, you can skip the step of copying code into your theme. Just set the right file path. I also create a folder for the JSON file. Then, in the chat area, enter the prompt to create the field group you want. It's quite similar to ChatGPT. Also include the description of the field group and the schema. Don't forget to define the path of the file. After sending the prompt, Cursor will analyze, process, and create a new file automatically following the path you request, along with generating code for the field group. Simply click on the Accept button to have JSON file of the field group officially. To have the UI of this field group, just using local JSON to sync data. This process is the same as using ChatGPT. Not only ChatGPT or Cursor, but also any AI tools can help you create the field group through a prompt. We hope this video is useful for you. If you want to explore the power of MetaBox in real cases, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye!